blessed evening. Oh, happy birthday you have today. Today we're here as rejoicing with you. Oh, happy birthday you have lived your whole life through. Give them to Jesus and He'll use you. Happy birthday! His promise, He'll guide you always. Oh, happy birthday you have today.
It is
Your birthday. Once again, the time is here. What a loving gift from Jesus He has given you. How
Happy birthday.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday, Papa!
Thank you for the donors. Happy
Ayan.
birthday, Meme. Happy birthday.
Lang.
Salamat sa mga sponsor.
Oh, ayan. Ilapit kay Papa ang kanyang na pa ini.
Ayaw, blow the candle muna. Blow the candle. Mag-blow mo na sila. Blow mo na siya, lalo. Ano pansigatin? Asan na yung lighter?
Hindi ko hanapin
Posporo.
yung gumagamit.
Posporo lighter.
Sa baba lang, kunin ko yung sa baba.
Tulungan si Tita Kwe maghanap ng remote. Tulungan si Tita Kwe.
Strawberry. Kita.
Wait lang, mapablow pa siya. Yung dito.
Maliit, dear. Ang halin yan. Ayan,
Oh, 1, 2,
Wala pang apoy eh.
Okay lang.
Wait lang.